Good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mufti Reza Aulia Putra. I would like to present about our research and development review of thermoelectric and their potential application in the vehicles. Okay. The problem that common occurs in electrical component is the emergent axis the heat. The use of the components has grown so in vehicle use. The use of thermoelectric can increase efficiency, like the thermoelectric design. Thermoelectric is a phenomenon in which a voltage difference can produce a temperature difference and vice versa. There are cold side and the bottom ones is hot side. Thermoelectric has many advantages like no moving parts. Live testing has proven the thermoelectric module can last 1,100 hours and not containing chlorofluorocarbons or other materials requiring periodic addition or can be used on a small application. With many advantages, the use of thermoelectric currently can be covered in many areas. For example, military technology, commercial, and industrial equipment space. The use of thermoelectric will provide an opportunity to maintain and convert the heat energy generated by the processor into usable electrical energy. As well as in extreme situation, it can be used as a force cooler when the processor is too hot. The use of thermoelectrics on a larger scale can be used as a part of a refrigerator. Its use can be a solution for a refrigerator without using refrigerants. This is an image to see that the thermoelectric can be a part of a refrigerator. In 1821, Thomas Johann Seebeck observed the phenomenon called the Seebeck effect. And 1834, the opposite was discovered by Jean-Charles Athanas Peltier, called the Peltier effect. Apart from the Seebeck effect and the Peltier effect, there is one more phenomenon, namely the Thomson effect. During the World War and after the thermoelectric was studied to be used in technology, especially in power generation and cooling system. In 1950s, generator efficiency could reach 5%, and as a cooling system, it could reach temperatures below 0 Celsius. This has led the industry to start looking at this technology. There is a basic theory and story of the thermoelectric. Okay, and the Seebeck effect is if there are two different materials connected at the ends, then one end is heated and electric current will flow. And the Peltier effect is when an electric current flows in the connection of two different conductors, there will be an event of heat absorption, that means cooling, or heat dissipation, it's meaning heating. And if Thomson effect is an event of absorption or disposal of heat when an electric current flows in a material with a temperature gradient. This is the thermoelectric principle. Its thermoelectric module used for refrigeration application is characterized into several usage parameters, which determine a more accurate module selection among the many available module options. This is a parameter of selecting the thermoelectric module is amount of heat absorbed by the cold side, temperature difference between the hot and cold sides, the electric current and voltage used by the module, and highest and lowest temperature environment. At no load, the RL load is not connected. The open circuit voltage measured between point is V alpha delta T, and there are so many formulas that we can use. thermoelectric cooling system application. Electric motors are quite popular in various applications such as vehicles. Motor failure can result in a large loss of income. Therefore, the calculation of loss in induction motors is very important because it directly affects the overall motor efficiency and temperature distribution. Several factors are very influential in decreasing the performance of electric motors, such as temperature. To overcome this, a cooling system is needed so the performance of electric motor can be maintained properly. Several electric motor cooling technologies have been developed in on one of them is the thermoelectric cooler. Budianto et al. Has conducted a study that discusses thermoelectric cooling in unmanned vehicles, analyzing the application of a thermoelectric cooler to control the room temperature of an unmanned surface vehicle. A prototype 12 volts thermoelectric cooler was created and tested on 1.5 meter unmanned surface vehicle. It showed that the thermoelectric cooler was effective in reducing the indoor temperature of the unmanned surface vehicle to 90.5%. I'm sorry, 90.5 Celsius. Lee et al. Examines thermoelectric coolers for thermal management of lithium-ion battery modules for electric vehicles. The combination of thermoelectric generator and forced convection design as an effective and feasible cooling system for battery thermal management system is reported. They conducted a comparison on natural convection cooling, forced cooling, and thermoelectric generator cooling. The results show that the TEG cooling is better than the other two colors. The TEG cooling system is proven to be able to reduce the temperature by 60.44% at 3C discharge. The TEG and hybrid of TEG and FC cooling system can reduce energy consumption compared to the two TEG-based cooling system. Based studies that have been reported, the thermoelectric cooling system has proven to be quite effective electric vehicle application. This indicates that thermoelectric cooling has reliable potential in electric vehicle application. In addition to the application carried out on vehicles, this system is also developed and reported in case of the braking system. A braking system that produces frictional works associated with the high temperatures cause the brake fluid to boil and causes gas resistance and reduce the braking force. Therefore, to maintain braking performance, an effective cooling system is needed. Xue conducted a study of the application of a thermoelectric cooling module in vehicle braking system. This study aims to prevent the high temperatures that rise due to braking force for a long time and rapidly. The modules implemented include a disc brake system and a drum brake system. A cooling surface that adheres to the brake system and absorb the heat from the brake pads or shoe is provided by the thermoelectric cooling module after applying electric powers. The other surface releases the heat which is absorbed by the other cooling system. The research shows decrease in the working temperature of the brake system up to 30% after using a thermoelectric cooling device. In addition, an increase in braking force of about 30% is generated as a result of the cooling. The thermoelectric cooling module starts to work when temperature of the brake pads or shoe exceeds 50 degrees Celsius. This device is reportedly to be very efficient in maintaining the braking force when the drivers use the brakes for a long time and provide safety for the drivers. Summary. Thermoelectric application in vehicles have been discussed. Several case studies are reported showing the potential for reliable thermoelectric application. Discussions relate to the application of thermoelectric as a cooling system in vehicle and braking system. Explained that thermoelectric cooling system was very effective and can compete with other cooling systems. Based on the case that have been reported, efficiency can be significantly improved. However, studies either in the form of experiments or other that investigate the application of thermoelectric in vehicles, especially as a cooling system, are still very minimal. This should be able to increase interest in the discussion of the use of thermoelectric, further considering its very good potential. Thank you.